Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello and thanks, Elmer, for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And yes, I'm local. When I talked to you, you asked me if I was local. I'm right here in Lillington. So that's excellent. The point of the video I wanted to show you is how to increase the value of your company. So I'll go over three key factors you need to rank your business on Google to increase your exposure and increase your value. You really need three things. You need content, backlinks, and citations. You can have the most beautiful website on Google, but without the right content and keywords, it simply won't rank and get the added exposure that you're looking for. And many companies build beautiful websites, but they also sometimes fall short with the content and the SEO. Now, understand every time you're typing something into Google, every time you type in are actually keywords into Google, and they use those keywords to look for what you're asking within websites that best fit your search for the words you just typed. So Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or word you've just typed in the search and then categorizes the website. So this is how you establish rank. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. Now, this is what I found when I did auto repair Fuquay. This is the map pack, and underneath the map pack is where the ranking structure starts to come into play. And be honest, I mean, most people don't go past the first page. They're looking for what they want right here, and if they don't find it, they're moving on. So when I find competitors for you or that are, your competitors in your area, I can use certain tools to find out how well they rank. I can see their backlinks, their referring domains, their keywords. One of the companies is iFix Fords, so you may be familiar with them. Now I can see their backlinks and referring domains. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement for your website from another, and Google uses that to build trust. I can see citations or referring domains. That's anywhere your business name, number, or address is shown exactly as your Google Business profile. Citations help you rank on the map pack. That's how these companies rank right here next to the map is through the citations, referring domains, and that is anything that has to do with name, address, and phone number. Yelp, Angie's List, BBB, Yellow Pages. You know, how many times have you Googled, restaurant near me? That's how that works because of the listings that they have through different citations. So once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, you're more likely to bring value to your business and move up the rank structure. Now, considering that you don't have a website, you're missing out on a lot of exposure, um, which obviously that hurts. That hurts the company, that hurts the business a little bit. So when you can get your content and your backlinks and citations all together, you can start to outrank your competitors, or you can begin to increase the value of your website. You will quickly see your business with increased traffic and increased revenue. Just wanted to give you some insight on how to correctly build a website. It's very important to have a well-built website, and that will help bring the value to your company. If you find yourself wanting some more information on a website build and understanding, I would be glad to help you. Just reach out to me. I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate it, and I hope you get some insight from that. Have a good day.